sorry, Joe. I didn't mean to get you away. That'd be Joe over there. That'd be the train. Wow, Bill. Wow, Jojo. We're aboard Metro North. Heading from Waterbury to Bridgeport. My partner over here. I don't know if that came out. We'll see about that one. I see Joe. Hey, he ran away. What's that all about, Joe? A panoramic view of the Naugatuck River. That's out there. Joe ducked away from us. I don't know. He's being shy with the fans today. I have no clue. I don't even know if this vlog will actually air. We'll see. City of Naugatuck. Trying to show you the restaurant there at the Naugatuck train station. That's one of the few restaurants I know of along the train besides Bridgeport. And I got Jojo over there wanting the train to move, and the train won't go, so he's unhappy. Okay. The river. Oh, ice over there on the mountains. Wow, it's cool. There's some ice over there, Joe. We like the ice. It's cool. I got a strange light I don't like in the picture. I may have to cut that footage right out. I just saw some ice. I want to see some ice. I got some ice over here. There's some ice for you. Ice up in the mountains. Look at that. Ice up in the mountains. Isn't that cool? That's some cool stuff. I'll tell you. I like that. The river is frozen solid. I knew I seen this before. There it is. Wow.
You stupid.
Hey, that's not nice.
You cut it out.
Cut what out?
That.
Logging?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay. Don't do that on me.
Old Strand Theater in Seymour. That's like a historic city. Look at that. Like the old days. Very small train station in Seymour. There's a better sight coming up as we leave Seymour. Alright. Should be coming up any second now. I think it's over. It's back over in a second anyhow. Right, much further down than I think. Uh-oh, I missed that. That's the side I was talking about, the dam. Yeah, we're almost there, I'm telling you.
My train used to go in there.
Yeah, I know that. This is called DK City. This is some of the old factories inside Ansonia.
Where's the train going?
It used to be here.
There's no train in there?
No train in there now. A train used to go in there.
They used to pick the steel up. These are the old steel places and brass places. They used to be in the valley. And it's getting Housatonic River. Going over it.
Where's the blue one there?
Yeah, there's right, yeah.
This is the mouth of the river.
That one's yellow.
This
Jojo?
is in Bridgeport. Is a future vlog.
Jojo!
This is
He's
Remington
right there!
Firearms.
Jojo!
Take special permission
Uncle
to get
Billy
inside
wanted
this
to pay
building, and
attention
they're
to him.
tearing it down. It looks like. I don't know if we really get permission to get in here now. Well, I'm gonna try. This is Wild Bill. That's the end of this adventure. Catch you next adventure. As always, treat everybody with kindness. Joe's watching TV. And that's it for this one. Oh, please like, subscribe, and share.